Hello, I'm Michael Hanssens, Director of Business Development and Marketing for Rees Scientific and LPA Wireless. We offer continuous monitoring solutions. Rees Scientific has 35 years of experience protecting your valuable assets and reducing risk. We're the largest provider of automated monitoring solutions in the healthcare and pharmaceutical market. Our corporate headquarters is in New Jersey, but we have installations worldwide. We offer the most comprehensive monitoring solution for your critical equipment, including refrigeration, freezers, and clean rooms. If you run a list of major hospitals and pharmaceutical companies, most likely they have Rees in their institution. In fact, the same company that made those vaccines and medicines in your pharmacy probably used Rees Scientific while they were coming out with those drugs and medications. We're also proud to be the largest provider for the blood bank and military. In addition to the military, we handle many government institutions such as the CDC, the National Institutes of Health, the FDA, and the FBI. Rees Scientific has grown every year of our existence. We continue to evolve and innovate for industry regulations and our customer needs. We have over 12,000 installations worldwide. Over 100,000 wireless modules are in existence today. Our system can be on your network or the cloud. We have a fully staffed technical support team to complement our regionalized service. We also staff an engineering, project management, and production team to ensure quality and product reliability. It actually comes down to protecting my assets, reducing my risk, and remaining compliant. A recent report by the New York Times stated that at any given time, a refrigerator will contain between $15,000 and $100,000 worth of vaccines, some as much as $400,000. More importantly than the actual money that's involved, there's some health risks involved. Temperature fluctuation could impact the vaccine's effectiveness. Some institutions have had to revaccinate their patients. Recently, regulation and compliance has impacted the pharmacy industry. The CDC, the World Health Organization, Vaccines for Children, along with other organizations, are regulating and recommending additional compliance standards for the industry. Rees Scientific and LPA Wireless meets and exceeds all of these recommendations and regulations, including a data buffer for its modules, including a temperature medium, such as a temperature block or temperature kit, an LCD module with a display of the temperature of the equipment being monitored. All of these things are available at no additional cost. Our modules also contain a battery backup, so that if a module goes offline, it will actually store data. All readings, records, and data is stored for decades on your server or on the cloud. We have proven sensors that are specific to the guidelines within USP 800 and 797, such as room temperature and humidity and room differential pressure. Customers routinely use our LCD modules so they can see the data as it's being collected also. Rees has a proven history in the GXP market, including GLP and GMP. In simplest form, our system collects data, but it's much more than that. Our modules are easily installed by either Rees technicians or the customer themselves. The modules then collect the data and bring it up to the Rees cloud or to the customer server. At that point, that's where all the work begins for the Rees software. A customer can pull data and also monitor critical equipment. All data events and history are recorded for future auditing purposes and compliance. Actually both. Our Presidio software is user-friendly and detailed. It has multiple layers of security and data redundancy to ensure system reliability. In addition to our proven software, Rees Scientific offers over 500 sensors in its catalog. All software is developed and tested to meet today's industry regulations and requirements. Rees Scientific software is a major reason our growth has been so steady for 30 years. Our software team continues to develop and enhance our product for our customers and the industry regulations. Our software continues to be a main reason why we are the most comprehensive solution in the industry. You can gather real-time readings of your data. You can get interactive alerts and alarms regarding your equipment. You can departmentalize. You can create different user parameters for different pieces of equipment. You can run graphs and reports. And most importantly, all that data is there in case you are ever audited by any regulatory body. Our audit trail continues 21 CFR Part 11, which is an electronic signature, so that you know who did what to your system at any given time. As previously stated, we have 500 different sensors in our catalog. Our modules can work on someone's wired system, wireless system, or a Wi-Fi. We can also utilize a customer's existing alarm points on their critical equipment. Rees Scientific offers the most diverse method of delivering the data back to your server or the cloud. We can do it wired, we can do it on a Zigbee wireless channel, or we can do it on your enterprise Wi-Fi. All of our modules and panels buffer data so you have that additional redundancy of your data and the security that goes with it. Besides protecting your assets, there are a multitude of reasons why customers utilize a Rees Scientific system. Recently, a top 5 university utilized the Rees Scientific as a corrective action when they had equipment failure that lost decades worth of data. Many institutions and organizations use Rees Scientific as a tool to recruit talent. They know that their research and assets are being protected. They also use it as a means to secure additional funding from someone like the NIH. People also use Rees Scientific as a return on investment. We recently ran a study for a customer, and it was costing them $7,500 a year per piece of equipment to monitor that piece of equipment. That, coupled with the fact that there's a possibility for human error, also justifies the Rees Scientific system. LPA Wireless is a sister company of Rees Scientific with a cost-effective solution. Both companies provide the same level of security and compliance. LPA provides a cloud option for our customers. Rees Scientific offers both a cloud and a localized server. Along with our software and hardware, we have the largest regionalized support staff in the industry. We have a 70-member team that is located throughout the US, Canada, and Europe. Our team is dispersed locally so that we can ensure quality and customer response. Recently, Rees Scientific started Rees Scientific University to enhance our training and our retraining of our employees. Any size customer from 1 point to thousands can be serviced easily by LPA and Rees Scientific.